St. Elizabeth person of interest charged with taking the life of another individual. Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links007 TV News Report. The St. Elizabeth Police said that Domain Robinson, the man who last week turned himself into the St. Elizabeth Police after being listed as a person of interest, has been charged with murder and conspiracy to murder. The charges stem from a July 22, 2019 incident. The police reported that at about 6:15 p.m. on the day in question, 41-year-old Mr. Day was gunned down in Southeast St. Elizabeth. The deceased, a taxi operator, was reportedly parked in the town square when two men approached him, one of which pulled a gun and fired several shots, hitting him in the chest. Day was rushed to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The police reportedly added that a 28-year-old man who goes by the name Domain Robinson or Domain Miles and Lizard was charged following an interview in the presence of his attorney. His court date is yet to be arranged. He remains in custody as the police continue their investigation into other matters. This has been Links007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.